Pumpkin dum root. To make it, you will need a cup of sliced pumpkin, a cup of suji, so-called semolina, 2/3 cup of milk powder, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of ghee, half a cup of milk, half cup of cashew nuts, and 1/4 cup of raisins. Also, few drops of red food coloring and few drops of green food coloring. You can definitely go for colors of your choice. Lastly, salt to taste. So let's begin. Onto a kadai, just add some ghee. And saute the nuts in it. Just a slightly brown color would be enough, no need to fry much. Similarly, do the same with raisins. If you saute raisins much, it will taste bitter, so make sure you saute only for few seconds. Then the same with the pumpkin. Sauteing it will drain off its hydration and remove the raw smell. This is how it turns. Then we're gonna divide into two sections and dye one in red and other in green. Red food coloring, this looks cool. More drops will give brighter shade, that's totally up to you, but this is enough for us. So moving on to the other half, dyeing it green. Done. Let's set this all aside. Now just get a mixing bowl. Do not use a hand beater or a blender. You can simply use a spoon, or if you have a whisk, that will be better. 2 eggs. In some eggs you see the white thread-like structure, it's called chalaza. Removing it reduces the smell of the egg. So just prick it out, just like this white thread-like thing. If you remove this, smell of the egg will be comparatively low. So let's mix it. We have to mix the eggs and not beat. What I mean is, if you beat the eggs, it will foam. But that should not happen. To this we should add sugar and mix them together really well, but shouldn't form foam. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes of constant stirring. Now it's well mixed and creamy. To this, let's add milk. We are adding milk and milk powder. You can also use condensed milk instead of these two. So now let's add milk powder too and mix. Then add the ghee, keeping a little aside to grease the pan. Keep mixing. Then let's add salt to taste for about a pinch or two and mix well. Now it's time to add semolina. Add gradually while stirring. It's all mixed. You can also add yellow food coloring if you like, but it's not necessary. So now add the raisins and nuts. I'm adding just half of it and keeping the other half to sprinkle on top. And also let's add the pumpkin too. And mix. No need to mix a lot, just make sure everything is evenly spread, then it's all done. Let's grease the pan and add the mixture. Then level it by tapping. To get into the oven. Bake it in the preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just prick in a toothpick to know if it's well cooked. It's perfectly ready, looks so very yummy and colorful. Let it cool before you cut and then eat. I'm sure you're drooling, so don't forget to try and let us know in comment of how it was. We'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye from Masala Street.